Hey besties, guess what I'm doing today? I'm doing a wax, and I'm doing it with my favorite wax ever. Sexy Smooth Wax. Y'all know I love them. And y'all, this one, Cherry Desire, smells so good. It smells like a cherry airhead. I'm so in love. Look at it, y'all. I'm so excited. Let's heat it up. I still got a little purple seduction in there, but I'm gonna put this Cherry Desire on top. Let's turn it on, baby. Let's let that sit for me, because, yeah. I'm so excited. What are you guys doing today? I'm waxing. I love waxing.